एतावता कानि सूत्राणि हल्सन्धि विधायकसूत्राणि कानि पठितानि इति किञ्चित् स्मरणे भवेत्. So starting from it, what is our first one here? Nashchutra here. Kut chokuhu jalan jashonte sasajusho ruhu. Sasajusho ruhu. And then Rory dhalopi dirghonah. Nantaram kharvasanayor visarjaniyah. इदानीमस्ति भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य योषि. अस्मिन् सूत्रेपि if you look at this sutra bho bhago agho, here there is a atrapi engapadanta dati, so could have been applied the Panini himself, but he has not applied, just to keep it clear for us. Otherwise it will be like bho bhago gho purvasya yoshi, like that. But asmakam samanya sulabha avagamanartham etadasham संकलनं कृतमस्ति पाणिनिना भो भगो अघो. अस्मात् सूत्रात् परं विद्यते लोपः शाकल्यस्य इति. लोपः शाकल्यस्य कदा भवति? लोपः शाकल्यस्य भवति अशि परे यकारस्य लोपः, परन्तु सर्वेषाम् आचार्याणां मतेन हलि सर्वदा यकारस्य लोपः भवति इति अत्र तात्पर्यम्. अनन्तरं भो भगो अघो पूर्वस्य योषि तस्मात् पूर्वं यदि अतोरोरप्लुतादप्लुते इति स्थितिः वर्तते चेत् किं भवति? अतः ह्रस्वातकारात् परस्य रोः उ स्यात् इति परे. रामस् अस्ति रामर् अस्ति राम उ अस्ति रामो अस्ति इति. अनन्तरम् अत्रैव एतत्तु षष्ठाध्याये वर्तते अतोरोरप्लुतादप्लुते इति. तस्मात् परमेव हसि च इत्यपि वर्तते अग्रिमं सूत्रं. तदा किं भवति? हश् वर्णात् हश् वर्णे परेपि किं भवति? उ आदेशः भवति इति. कुत्र? सकारस्य स्थाने इति तात्पर्यम्. अत्र प्रायः सर्वैः बहुभिः अत्र प्रयत्नः कृतः वर्तते. परन्तु तत्र इतोपि किञ्चित् स्पष्टता अपेक्षिता अस्ति. यथा रामस् अत्र आविष्कारभगिन्याः उत्तरपत्रमस्ति. आविष्कारभगिनी इदानीं भवती एव अस्माकं किञ्चित् मार्गदर्शनं करोतु. तत्र प्रत्येकं सन्धिच्छेदः कथं, सन्धिसूत्राणि कथम्, अत्र इति विवरणम् आविष्कार महोदय.
Ji Guruji. So for the first one, Ramas, so we are going to apply Sasajusho Ruhu. So the sa is going to be changed to Ref. And then because there is nothing afterwards, then we are going to apply Karavasana Yo Visarjanya. And the Ref is going to be changed to Visarg.
So anybody has if any questions, please ask now. Bhagini, you can explain that. Karavasanayor visarjaniyaha, because it is at the end. Avasanam asti atra. Ante asti refah iti karanat tasya refasya visarge refasya sthane visargadeshaha. Prashna askya agre.
So for the second one, I have not applied any sutra because the ref is a mool ref original. It's not coming from the the sup. So punarashmate.
Any question here? Okay, agreement.
Hatas plus va. So first, again, Sasajusho Ruho will change the sa to ref. Then now, because the condition for Hashicha is present, then we will have to jump out of the Tripadi. We are going to apply Hashicha. So is before the ra and there is Hash after the ref. So the ref is going to be changed to U.
Yeah, here any questions? So I have seen many answers like from here. So some answers have gone like Hatarva or something like that. And note that here 6114 Atorora Plodada Plute, and then there is Hashicha. That condition is being met here. So and
then after Hashicha, we are going to apply Adgunaha because now we are out of the Tripadi, so we are free to apply the other sutra. So Adgunaha will make it Hatova.
I have a question over there. So Adgunaha, the Paravarna is V, right?
Where? Here U.
No.
O plus U.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hatharva is correct, no?
Huh?
Hatharva is okay, no?
Not Hatava, Hatova.
Hatharva, only I have written Hatharva.
No, after Hatharva, this again these two needs to be applied.
Okay.
Hatharva is the first step. After that Hashicha, after that Adguna, then Hatova. Final is Hatova. Hatova praksisi swargam jitva va bhokshase mahim. So in the group, Suresh Madha had posted, if we know the final form, then we can think of what we can apply. Because if we go this way, applying the sutras, yeah, we can apply, but we need to be very careful what condition where to apply. But if you know the final, like we know, like Bhagavad Gita, in Bhagavad Gita, yeah, Hatova Prapsasi Swargam. So we know that it is not Hatova. So how are we going to arrive at that? So then we can think reverse way. So that could be easier sometimes. If you know the right one. If sometimes it is confusing, we get confused what is the final form, then we need to actually look at the sutras. Okay, next one.
Namas plus Astu. So again, first Sasajusho Ruhu will change the sa to Ref. Then now because the Ref is preceded by A and it's followed also by A, the condition for Atoror Plutada Plute is met. So we are going to apply this. The Ref is going to change to U.
Yeah, so here what is happening? Yeah, sorry, completed.
No, I was going to go to the next sutra. You can continue.
Adguna.
Yes, Adguna.
So here, Sasajushoru, here Hashicha is there. So here also Akara Purvam Asti Akara. Right? Before Refa, there is a Akara Purvam Asti, right? That is why Atorora Pludata Plute is there, but Hashicha is the continuation of that Atorora Pludata Plute. Just for clarification of everybody, right? Atorora Pludata Plute saying that there is a Akara before that Refa and Akara after the Refa. Akara before the Refa is okay. That condition is fine. But after that, after Refa, there is no Akara here. There is a Hash Varna. So that Hashicha is coming into picture here. Yeah. Namarastu, Namastu. Okay. Namastu, Namastu. Our next one. That's it. Namastu.
Actually, it continues. My answers are not appearing as I sent them to you. Here it is. There are 2 rows missing from my answer.
Okay.
It's down there. You can just copy and paste it. It's
Where,
on the
where
7th page. On the next page, just scroll down. You will see it. No. On the 2nd page, I think. I don't know why it's in this order.
The page was there, Namostu.
Just next. Go up, scroll up a little bit here.
Here?
No. 2nd page.
I did saw.
Again it is here. Okay. Why it is coming around? Okay.
I don't know. So the 3rd row you can see.
Okay, continue.
So after Ad Gunaha, we can apply Ingaha Padanta Prati. So Namostu.
Is this the 3rd one? 4th one?
It's the 4th one. 4th one. It's the 4th one.
This we can remove, right? This we can remove.
Yes.
Something display is not correct here. I can't click here, something wrong. Okay. Agrima. Daras.
Yes, Daras plus Bhashante. So again, first Sajushoruhu will change the sa to Ref. Then now, because the Ref is preceded by A, and after that we have Ash. So Bho Bhago Agho Apurvasya Yoshi is going to be applied here. It's going to change the Ref to Yakar. And then after that, by Hali Sarvesham, we are going to remove the Yakar, so Dara Bhashanti.
Lopashakalesya tasya prasakteyan asti va nasti atra. Lopashakalesya is not needed here because there is a hal. So sarvesham acharana matena hali yakarasya lopaha. Dara bhashante. So the other thing I have here. This also could help many times. This condition, this one here, because if you look at this, so if you look at here, akara iti puram asti, akaraha. So generally we say daraha bhashante iti. Sandhi na bhavati chet daraha bhashante. What is Daraha? Arthah kaha? Daraha. Don't know Daraha? Anyone?
Dara is wife. Wife.
Wife. Daraha means single wife. Okay, one wife. Bahuvachane asti, but Daraha is always used in plural. Bahuvachane prayoga. Nitya Bahuvachana. Daraha Bhashante means wife speaks. So Akaraha Visargat Puram asti. So where is this Visarga? If you look at here, and look at, okay, like here. Aha Ash. That's what we are looking at. Bho Bhago Ash, Ashi, Pare. If you look at this A plus Ash, Akaraha, Anantaram Visargaha asti, Anantaram Ashvarna asti. उदाहरणानि सन्ति तत्र नित्युक्ताः उपासते नित्युक्ता उपासते आकारः अनन्तरं विसर्गः अनन्तरम् उपासते इति अस्ति राइट so you can see here nityukta samaveta yotsavah here also samavetaah yotsavah iti sandhichedah attu visargalopah bhavati atra samaveta yotsavah. So how is the visarga going? For that, to support that, these are the sutras. But right now there is no visarga, there is a refa, because that's how the prakriya asti. Prakriya means as per the Ashtadhyayi, these are the steps. First daras sasasishoruhu, nantaram daray, dara bhashante. Finally we know, just like this nityukta upasate samaveta yotsava, this is how it should work. This is how it should finally look like. So it should be Dara Bhashante.
I didn't go to Dara here because Varna Puram Akara Anantaram Ashasti. So here it was Bhashanti. That is why I didn't go. Dara.
Yeah, but here there is Ashvarnaha Pare asti chet. So
Ash is not there. Okay.
This is Bha is Ash, right? Bha is Ash means what?
Okay.
Ash means Ach plus Hash. Ach and Hash.
I got it. I only saw her and I didn't go for that. Okay. I got it.
Okay. So the Dara Bhashante. Okay. Agrimam.
Chatakas plus dayate. So again, sasajusho ruho will change the sa to ref. Then because there is a before the ref and after that we have hush, hashicha will apply and the ref is going to change to u. And after that adgunaha, from adgunaha we are going to get chadako dayate.
Upashakal is so whatever is not correct. Chadako dayate.
Lopa Shakal is no before no Lopa Shakal it doesn't go there because there is it is satisfying this condition. Right? There is a Refat Pura Makara, just like there was before, right? What was it? One was there before? Tasva. The Refat Pura Makara, Refat Anantaram Hashvarna. So, anywhere you saw it, we see this, right? Everywhere, like Ra, Here, like Ramo Rajamani, Yogeshwaro Harihi. So all these are examples how this is happening. Ramaha Rajamanihi, this is changing to Ramo. Visargat Purvam Akaraha and Visargadanantaram Hashvaranaha. So if it is there, then Visarga we have to replace it with the O. This is the generally we can understand. If you don't want to remember or if you cannot remember, and we don't need to remember the sutra, not necessary. So this is simple common sense or just observation. Visarga, and before that Visarga there is Akara, and after that there is a Refa. Here Refa, but it could be any Hashvarana, Mruduvarana. In that case, that change that Visarga and change that Akara to O. That's simple. Ramo, Yogeshwaro. Same thing it is happening here. Hatova and Chatakodayate. Mruduvarana.
In your slides or in your class, you had given an example, Dharanam, Vedas Iha, Vedaya Iha, Veda Iha. In Lopashakalis, it has become Veda Iha.
There is a A, right? Before that there is a A, Vedha, not A.
So if it is A, then only Lopashakalis.
Yes. Because if it is a different sutra comes into picture. Atorora, Apluda, Aplute, and there is a Hashiche.
Akara. Then in slide 38 it is there. Akara Anantaram Astite Ruthane Akara Adesh. That is okay.
Yeah, Akara means A plus A, both are there, right?
I thought both are applicable for Lopashakal. A is also applicable for Lopashakal.
That is true, that's true. But in case of A, the sutra says that it is for both and A it is applicable. But however, when it is A, there is a different sutra coming into picture, overriding that.
Okay.
Okay, Agrimam. Kas
plus asti. So first Sasojushoruhu will change the sa to ref. Then now because there is a before the ref and a after the ref, we are going to apply Atoro Putada Prute, which will change the ref to U. After that Adgunaha, A plus U will become Ko Asti, and then Ingaha Padantadati, Kosti.
So Lakshmikant Mahoday, this is the example, right? That where that Lopa Shakalesha, all those things won't come here.
And here also I am that mistake.
Yeah. Because there is a before this refa, so then this Atorad Apludat Aplute, this will be coming into effect.
Here also I am in same mistake.
Yeah. Why we have to apply the same thing again? Because this sutra is specifically talking about the akara. So when it is so specific, this sutra will come into force. Okay. Agrimam.
Abhyase plus api. So the Purva Varna is A, Para Varna is A. So by Inga Padanta Dati, both A and A will be replaced by A. So Abhyase.
In fact, I didn't understand. I written in Padantadati, but I had written Abhyasa Yapi. So what is wrong? So probably this sutra I have not understood properly.
So Meenakshi Bhagini, you want to help to explain this sutra?
In Padantanda.
So पदान्ते अभ्यासे इति पदमस्ति तस्य अन्ते एङ् प्रत्याहार विद्यते एकारम् अस्ति एकारम् एङ् प्रत्ययस्य वर्णः अस्ति तस्य अनन्तरम् अकारम् अस्ति ह्रस्व अकारं परे अस्ति अतः एङ् पदान्तात् अतिसूत्रेण एकार अकार पूर्वपरयोः पूर्वरूपम् एकादेशः भवति पूर्वरूपम् अस्ति एकारम् अतः केवलम् एकारमेव विद्यते अकारस्य लोपः भवति लोपः इति वक्तुं न शक्नुमः एकार अकारस्य पूर्वरूप एकादेशः भवति
समीचीनं लक्ष्मीकान्त महोदय अवगतम् नास्ति
अभ्यासे this is a ekara and next is api so I couldn't catch whatever she has said.
पुनः वक्तुं शक्यते
महोदय अभ्यासे इति पदस्य अन्ते किं विद्यते ए तत् अस्ति एङ् प्रत्याहारे अस्तु एङ् प्रत्याहारे अस्ति अभ्यासे अन्ते एकारमस्ति अनन्तरं किम् अस्ति अ इत्युक्ते ह्रस्व अकार खलु इत्युक्ते परे अकारं ह्रस्वाकारम् अस्ति पूर्वम् अस्ति एकारं परे अस्ति अकारं खलु पूर्वपरयोः षष्ठी द्विवचनम् एकारम् अकारं द्वयोः मध्ये केवलम् एकारम् एव एकादेशः भवति तत्र वयम् एकारम् अकारं द्वयोः अपि द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः खलु महोदय एकारम् अकारं द्वयोः अपि द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः अत्र पूर्वरूपं किम् अस्ति तदेव एकादेशः भवति द्वयोः स्थाने पूर्वरूपम् एकादेशः भवति इत्युक्ते अकारं न दृश्यते अतः अभ्यासेऽपि इत्येव अस्ति
एङ् प्रत्याहारे के वर्णाः विद्यन्ते लक्ष्मीकान्त महोदय एङ् प्रत्याहार ओके तो अभ्यासे इति तत्र पदान्ते एकारः अस्ति अनन्तरम् अकारः परवर्णः एकारः एङ् प्रत्याहारे अस्ति that you know already so पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने means in both the in place of both एकारस्य पूर्ववर्णस्य एव आदेशः भवति so both go away and in both the places only a comes whatever is first comes ekara
that sutra I have not written anywhere
okay
full sutra is not with me so now I understood but I have to this sutra has to be if she puts on group I will note it down.
So this course is also like that. Enga padantadati. ओकारः अनन्तरम् at means akarah asti, rasva akarah asti, anantaram kosti bhavati.
So I request her to write in group that sutra.
Which sutra?
In explanation.
Huh? Explanation?
Explanation she had given, Purva and Pare, whatever full sutra she splitted up.
Okay. Next again a request.
मह्यं मां पृच्छति वा महोदय?
हा हा.
अस्तु महोदय, अस्तु.
I am requesting you whatever
अवगतम् अहं प्रेषयिष्यामि.
That if you write on group, I will note down, because that has to be seen again and again and.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Astu agrimam. Avishkar.
Yes, yes plus aste. Guruji, can you please scroll down, because again my answers are not appearing properly.
What is it?
Oh, it's here.
Yes plus aste. Hold on, let me try to stop this and reopen it. Yes, aste.
Yes, so again by Sasajushoruhu, the sakar is going to change to ref. Now, because the ref is preceded by a, and after that we have a, so which is part of ash, the ref is going to change to yakar. And then by lopaha shakarya, the yakar is going to be removed, so ya asti, and we cannot apply any other vowel sandhi sutra here.
So Bhavan Mahadaya, Rajeshwari Bhagini, is this clear? So I think some of you are confused with aste with asti.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is not asti, the aste.
Yes.
Ya aste manasa smaran. There is some sloka somewhere, right? Ya aste. So here again, after the visarga, in the actual padam katham bhavati yaha aste. Yaha aste. So yaha visargat puram akaraha anantaram akaraha asti. So look at different conditions here, right? First there is akara, there is visargat puram akara, visargat anantaram api akara asti chet. Now we know Ramo I am like this. This is like Katingam Padanta that will apply, then Ramo I am, these things will come into picture here. Then visargat puram akaraha anantaram ukaraha atva akara ukara, other than akara anything if you take, then the visarga lopa bhavati arjuna vacha arjuna aste ya aste tathaiva. But the akara is important. Visargat puram akara. Visargat puram akara asti chet, then after that if there is any ash, any swara or even mruduvarana, then the visarga goes away. Niyukta, samaveta, yutsma, niyukta, upasate, niyukta. Even if it is akara also, niyuktaha, suppose there is asti, so then there is vedhas asti, vedha asti. So just remove that visarga there, because there is a following after that, or any mruduvarna following that. And similarly, visarga, then there is a puramakara, anantaram ashwan, mruduvarna asti chet. Again, Ramo bhavati, just like this one, first one. But here there is Pura Rupa is happening, but here there is no Pura Rupa, just it remains O here. Ramo Rajamani Yogeshwaro Hari. Now, if there is a Visarga, and before that Visarga there is no A. So, A condition we looked at. But we checked here. First thing. But after that, before that there is no A, but there is other things like Ich. Ich means what? EU. And others also, other swaras, visarga, and then there is a ash. Ash means this swara तथा मृदुव्यञ्जनानि तथा किं भवति रेफे परिवर्तनं. So we know Guru Brahma, Marutirryasya, like this. Similarly, Kavihi iti, Kaviriti. So there also there is a ash. Swaravarnaha pare asti. Ash. So Kaviriti, Maharshiriti. Iti Rupam Siddhyati. So Mruduvarna. So far we looked at Akara, Mruduvarna, or Vyanjana and Mruduvarna, Pare asti chet. So all these we saw here. Mruduvarna Pare nasti chet kim bhavati, those will follow later. So these we are not at studies as per the sutra, we will study them. Okay, Agrimam, Dashamam.
Chetas plus Hari. So first Sajushoruhu will change the Sakar to Ref. Then the Ref is preceded by A, and after that we have Hush. So Hashicha will apply. The Ref is going to be changed to U. And then after that Adgunaha Chetu Hari.
Okay.
The correct answer key be given in
the yeah,
please.
Answer key, the link will be there. I'll give the link.
Link for answer key. And then I will compare and see that.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Agre sarema. So we came to Bho Bhago Atoro Radha Pradada Prate then Hashicha. So Bho Bhago Atra Asit 8.3.17. Then we will skip to 8.3.23. Agrimam Sutram Vartate Monuswaraha iti. Monuswaraha. So Sutrasya Vivaranam Bhavati Maha Anuswaraha iti. Okay. So what is happening here, Jayamodaya? It's actually this Monuswara is also an example of Sandhi, right? Monuswaraha that we saw. What is Maha? Is actually Mas, then Mar, then Mahu, Monuswaraha. Right? Similarly like Ramoyam, Kosti, something like that. Right? Monuswara, Namostu. So Maha Anuswara, asya artha kaha atra Maha iti padasya विभक्तिः का तत्र विवरणम् अस्ति पदान्तमकारस्य हलिपरे अनुस्वारः इति अस्ति. So here halipare is coming from that hali sarvesham. Asit Hali. So from that, Hali is Haliyasya Padasya Avrutti Atra Anuruttihi. So that is following here, that Hali. So bringing that Hali here, what happens? Padanta Makar, Padante iti. So that is coming from previous sutra also, Padante. Padanta Makarasya Hali Pare Anuswaraha Adeshah Bhavati iti. So Maha iti Padasya Vibhaktihi ka
प्रथमा एकवचन
प्रथमा एकवचनमिति भाति
षष्टि
षष्टि तथा
पञ्चमी अपि भवितुम् अर्हति अत्र पञ्चमी इति मन्ये पञ्चमी
पदान्तमकारस्य स्थाने हलिपरे अनुस्वारः भवति पदान्तमकारः कुत्र वर्तते अत्र उदाहरणं so maybe we can go reverse, then it will be easier to understand, right? First we look at the udaharanam pashatu idam vanam atra idam iti padante makarah asti, right? Padante makarah anantaram kim asti padante makarah anantaram al varnah asti halipare हल् कश्चित् किञ्चित् व्यञ्जनम् अस्ति एनिवे मृदुवर्णं मृदुव्यञ्जनम् अथवा कर्कशव्यञ्जनं किमपि भवतु तत्र हल् वर्णः अस्ति परे अनन्तरं मकारः पदस्य अन्ते पूर्वपदस्य अन्ते अस्ति तदा मकारस्य स्थाने अनुस्वारः आदेशः भवति उदाहरणम् इदं वनम् इदानीं किं भवति मकारस्य स्थाने अनुस्वारस्य आदेशः स्मृति भगिनी किम् अभवत् तत्र परिवर्तनं किम् अभवत्
स्थाने अनुस्वारः भवति
सो पूर्वं किम् अस्ति अत्र
मकारः
किं वर्णं
हश् वर्णः
अत्र वाक्यं किम् अस्ति एतत् पठतु एतत् वाक्यं पठतु पदद्वयं पठतु
इदं वनं सो पदस्य अन्ते इदं म अस्ति अनन्तरं हल् वर्णम् अस्ति तत्कारणात् तत् इदं म अनुस्वारः भवति
तदा इदानीं द्वितीयं वाक्यं पठतु
किं हसति
न एतत् पठतु अत्र
इदं वनं
पुनः
इदं वनम्
उच्चारणे किं परिवर्तनमस्ति पुनः
प्रथमः इदं वनम् इदं वनम् अनन्तरं
किं भवति पुनः
इदं वनं
मकारः न उच्चारणीयः मकारः न भवति
इदं वनम्
अनुस्वारः
इदं वनं न इदं वनं नास्ति वा कथम् उच्चारणीयम्
उच्चारणं जय महोदय anybody
The first one would be idam vanam. The second one would be idam vanam.
Okay, so I will write it like this. Sumati Bagini.
Idam vanam.
1 second. Idanim.
Idam vanam.
Okay, I like this one. Idanim.
Sanskritam. Sanskritam. Sanskritam.
Sanskrita. So why are you not saying that same thing here?
Idam vanam.
Idam vanam.
Idam vanam.
Oh, idam vanam.
No, ma. Idam vanam.
Idam vanam. Oh, okay.
Sanskrita. Same thing, idam vanam.
Sanskritam. Idam vanam. Okay.
So here there is idam. It is stop. Idam vanam. Here there is idam vanam. So there is no stop. Though you are writing it like this means two separate words, they are not actually, they are two separate words, but there is no gap in between at the time of Uccharanam. Uchcharane madhye vyatyaha nasti na bhavet. So if you write it like this, then it makes more sense for looking at. But whether you write it like this or write it like this, it is the same thing. There is no difference. Uchcharane samanam. This also should be pronounced like this only. Idam vanam. Idam vanam.
Kim hasti.
Atra.
Kim hasati.
Kim hasati. Kim hasati. Kim hasati. Kim hasati. It is like saying that Simha.
Simha.
Like Kim hasati.
Kim hasati.
Uchcharan becomes anunasik.
Yeah. It is a nasika only. It is not anunasika. Anuswara is kevalam nasika.
Nasik.
So that is about monaswara. Monaswara sulabham asti. Padantamakara. So etat sarvatra drishate eva. Anyat udaharanam yachatitra. Anyat udaharanam kim bhavati. Any other example? Rajeshri Bhagini.
Kim pashyati.
Okay. You can take anything like makara puram bhavet anantaram any hal varna vyanjanam.
Mataram drishtva.
Kim pashyati. So idane atra makarasya parivartanam bhavati chet evam bhavati anuswara. Anuswara adeshah.
Kim pashyati.
Kim pashyati. Kim.
Yeah.
You like saying like idam vanam. It is not kim pashyati. Kim pashyati. We should not say makara tatra. Kevalam kim pashyati. It's like a gliding over that. Gliding that. Kim pashyati. Then what is the other one you are saying? Mataram.
Mataram drishtva.
Mataram drishtva. किं भवति मातरं दृष्ट्वा सो सर्वत्र अत्र एतत् श्लोकस्य उदाहरणं पश्यामः. Anybody remember any shloka? This should be in any of most of the shlokas. It will be there, right? Makara. Give some example of some shloka.
Om Sahanavatu
सनावतु इधर मकार सनावतु समावतु सवीर्यं करवावहै तत्रापि अस्ति वीर्यं करवावहै
कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्
कूजन्तं राम रामेति so there also कूजन्तं राम रामेति so when chanting the shlokas are always geetam श्लोकः गातव्यः so they should be sung when it is a padyam asti chet padye tad sarvada sandhi bhavati padyasya pade sarvada sandhi bhavati eva because it is gana there is no pause in between so it has to be pronounced with the sandhi one line
कूजन्तं राम रामेति
Kujantam Rama Rameti. So if you are saying that Kujantam Rama Rameti, then it is not actually correct.
Kujantam Rama Rameti.
Kujantam Rama
Rama Rameti.
So note that it is a not Nakara, not Kujantam Rama Rameti. It's a Kujantam Rama Rameti.
While chanting, we are chanting like Kujantam Rama Rama.
Because we are doing little bit pause there. So here in the Sandhi, that Ardhamatra Kalat Nyunam Nyunaha Samayaha Ishyate atra. So Kujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam. There also Madhuram Madhuraksharam. At the end there is the end. Stop. Madhuram Madhuraksharam. Not Madhuram Madhuraksharam. Kujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam.
Rama Rameti. Can we close our lips? The Kujantam Rama Rameti.
Yeah, we should not close the lips, right? Because there is a refa anantaram Kujantam. And now we are writing like this, writing this Anuswara. We are not writing Ma, right? We should not write Ma and should not pronounce also Ma there. Should not close the lips. And it is Anuswara and writing also. Writing means what? It is a pronunciation. It is not just writing. Lekhane, Makaraha, Makarasthane, Anuswaraha Lekhane, Yaha. Iti Svasteva. But what is the purpose of it? Purpose is Ucharanam. So what is the Ucharanam?
In written form, the shlok is written like this, Kujantam Rama Rama.
Written form, it is written like Anuswara, with Anuswara.
Not, whatever I am chanting every evening, that shlok is written like Kujantam Rama Rama.
Written means what? With Ma? With Ma? No, you mean in the book it is written or by hand?
I am chanting with the mobile, so there it is like that.
No, that is not correct. Yeah.
So, just go through. It is something.
Yeah, mobile means what? So they don't. That is the issue, right? They don't know how this chandas and all that. So they just think that Ma and Anuswara, whatever it is, same. But it is not same. So just keep that in mind because it has to be continuous pronunciation. Kujantam Rama Rameti. So actually last week I heard this Rama Raksha Stotram on YouTube by somebody. I'll post that in the group. Listen to that. I mean only that version I found it is everywhere this Anuswara is pronounced properly. I only last few days, 2-3 days back only heard it. It's very good pronunciation. Kim hasati, kyun hasati. If you want to make a sandhi, otherwise if you want to keep it separate, adhika samaya madhye samhita nasti chet kim hasati. That you can do always. Kim hasati. Kim hasati means samhita nasti. But in shloka there is always samhita. Samhita vina shlokaha naucharyate. Okay.
अस्मिन् कूजन्तं राम रामेति श्लोके तृतीयचतुर्थपादे अपि आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् इत्येव वक्तव्यं वा? आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे.
Yeah. So first you said it was very nice. First time you said Arishya Kavita Shakham Vande Valmiki. Agrimam Sutram Nascha Padantasya Jhali. So Etat Sutram Purasya Monuswara Asti Tasya Kinchit Tatreva Sahayaka Sutram Asti. तो मौनस्वर किं भवति पदान्त मकारस्य हलिपरे अनुस्वारः मकारः पदान्ते भवेत् इति अस्ति नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि अपदान्ते मकारः पदान्ते नास्ति चेत् किं भवेत् सो दैट पदान्ते इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड हियर नो पदान्ते नास्ति चेत् किं भवति इति नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि परे पुनः अनुस्वारः इति पूर्वसूत्रात् अनुवृत्तिः भवति अनुस्वारः सो सेम अनुस्वार मौनस्वार सूत्रात् अनुस्वारः इति पदम् इत्र अनुवर्तते नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि उदाहरणं किम् अत्र अन्तिमम् अस्ति आक्रम्स्यते दिस् इज एक्चुअली आक्रम्स्यते इति एक आक्रम्स्यते इति पदम् अस्ति आक्रम्स्यते बहूनि सन्ति मंस्यते इति क्रियापदानि ते सन्ति तत्र मकारः पदान्ते नास्ति पदमध्ये अस्ति इति आक्रम् इति प्रक्रिया भवति धातुः भवति क्रम् इति अनन्तरं शते इति प्रत्ययः आगच्छति किं प्रत्ययः इति इदानीं पदस्य मध्ये अस्ति चेत् किं भवेत् पुनः अनुस्वारः किं भवति अनुस्वारः आदेशः भवति मकारस्य स्थाने पदान्ते भवतु वा न भवतु अनुस्वारः आदेशः भवति बट however there is one additional condition here सर्वदा अनुस्वारः आदेशः न भवति झलि परे झल् वर्णः परे अस्ति चेत् पूर्वं किम् आसीत् मौनस्वारः परवर्णस्य किम् अस्ति उत्तरनियमः मौनस्वारः what should be paravarna purvarna here purvarna is ma right paravarna kim
झल् वर्ण प्रथम तृतीय चतुर्थी and उष्मानः
मौनस्वारः तत्र
all consonants
मौनस्वारः it is any hal varnam
so मकारः पदान्ते अस्ति चेत् अनुस्वारस्य आदेशः भवति हलिपरे किमपि हल् वर्णः भवतु अनन्तरम् अत्र मध्ये अस्ति चेत् मकारः पदस्य मध्ये अस्ति चेत् झल् वर्णः परे भवेत् किम् अस्ति झल् वर्णः पुनः
वर्गस्य प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ्याक्षराः अपि च शल् उष्मानः क्षम्यतां उष्मानः the first second third and fourth in the varga and ushmanah
किमस्ति अत्र झल् very झल् so here till the end so what are we taking
jha bha ghada ghada dha jha bha ghada dasha khapa chata taya thacha ta ta kapa ya shasa ra shasa sa ha
so it means what first column second column which column in the Vargiya Vyanjaneshu, which one, Jay Mode?
It's the first, second, third, fourth, and then the sibilants, shashasa.
Shasaha.
Third column.
First, second, third, fourth. And shasasaha. That means this fifth column we are not taking, Yamagana Nama. Fifth column and Antastha, Yavara. Except those. Or Yavarala. Fifth column, Anunasika and Antastha, Yavarala. So, except those first, second, third, fourth, and Ushmana, Shashasaha. So, when these, any one of this is Paravarana, so here, Akram, then Makarasya Sthane, Anuswarasya Adeshaha, right? Akramsyate. Ekam udaharanam asti. Anyapi sadyata jigansati. Jigansati. So anyway, so those are santi. Anantaram, there is one more condition, one more. Nascha padantasya jhali. So if you just look at the sutram, sutra makarah na uchyate atra. What is naha cha apadantasya naha cha apadantasya jhali pare, jhali saptami, jhali pare. So this sutra just says naha cha apadantasya jhali. So it is a makara here, makara and anuswara, they are coming from the previous sutra. Monuswaraha is there, right? Monuswaraha. So that there is a maha asti, maha asti, anuswara asti. Tataha anurutti bhavati atra makarasya api. Because how do you know that? Because there is a cha here. This cha stands for naha and maha, both, in both the cases. Nakarasya nakara bhavatu tatha makara bhavatu purvarnah तादृश वर्णः अपदान्तस्य अपदान्ते अस्ति चेत् अपदान्ते पदस्य मध्ये अस्ति चेत् नस्य मस्य स्थाने झल् अनन्तरं झल् वर्णः परे अस्ति चेत् अनुस्वारः आदेशः भवति. तो मकारस्य एकम् उदाहरणमस्ति अत्र अपदान्ते. नकारस्य उदाहरणं पयान्सि पयांसि. Dhanunshi, Dhanunshi, Nakarasya. So Nakara is, we see it many times, like Manamsi, Namamsi. Okay. So these are all coming in the Prakriya Dashayam. Prakriya Yada Bhavati. Prakriya means derivation process, Rupa Siddhi Prakriya. When the Namapada is being derived, or like Payansi. Payansi is the Payas iti shabdah, Napunsakalinga shabdah. Payah Payasi Payansi iti Rupam Bhavati. Vibhakti Rupani Chalanti. Tatra Payansi iti Bahuvachana Rupam. Ditiya Prathama Vibhakto. Tatra Rupa Siddhi Katham Bhavati. Payan iti Madhya Agachati. Anantaram Si iti Pratyaya. Nakarasya परिवर्तनम अथवा आदेश नकारस्य स्थाने अनुस्वारः पयांसीत्. So this is just another thing you can know there. Okay. So nothing complicated, right? These are simple, unlike that Bodha, Atoro, Radhaplodaya. So we are past that complex thing. Now Monaswara was easy. Nascha Padanta is very easy. This one, should we do it today? Yeah, there's some time. Okay. Gamo rasvadachi gamunnityam. Meenakshi, you want to explain that? Just try to explain this or analyze this sutram.
Namo is namaha. Hraswad achi. Gamun nityam. Atra namaha. I'm getting a bit of echo.
No, we can hear you. Fine. Namaha.
I'm not very sure what nam is. Tadantat padat. That means tat ante asti. Padante gam asti. Tadrisham padam. Tasya pare achah. ह्रस्वात् अचि तस्य परे अचि अस्ति चेत् नमुडागमः भवति नमुडागमः आगच्छति तत्र
या तत्र पुनः so first we have ngamah so ngamah iti padam just like puram maha asit athva achah yanah so it is like shashti ngamah sthane gam so here we have like ma or ach ngam or engah padanta dati engah ngamah so indicating that ngam is a pratyahara right ngam so what is gam pratyahara ngam so we'll look at one is gam
that is the panchamaksharani yamangana nam
ngam
it starts with no
panchama not all
not all five nam only three are there
ngam pratyahare ganana only three so ngam pratyaharah uchyate ngam tada kim bhavati so ngamah sthane ngamah so that means ngamah iti purvarna bhavati anantaram achi iti saptami vibhakti asti so paravarnah kim bhavati bhavet ach
achi pare
so purvarnah nga ma na right one of these and paravarnah any ach कश्चित् स्वरावर्णः परवर्णः भवेत् तदा ngāmāna asya sthāne because we are in the shashti tasya sthāni bhavati tasya sthāne kim bhavati ngamut nityam ngamut atra ngamut iti padam asti now this is something needs some explanation ngamut iti asti ngamut आगमः so we are written here अस्य विवरणमस्ति ह्रस्वात् परः यः ngam तदन्तात् पदात् परस्य अचः Ngamudagamah syat iti. And at the end there is nityam also. We'll see that nityam later. Nityam means sarvada, right? Always. So we'll see that. So first is ngam. Ngam iti shashti. Ngamah sthane iti artha. And achi. So these are clear, right? First purvarna ngamana, one of these. Paravarna, one of the swaras. Now there is another condition of raswat iti. Raswat ngamaha. Raswat ngamaha. Raswat iti panchami. Raswat paraha yaha ngam. Tadantat padat. So what this is talking. Raswat paraha. What is raswat? Rasa swarat paraha. No. So if you see the examples here, the first letter here is nga. Here na, and here na, here is na. So these three examples are there because ngam stands for nga, na. What are there? There's something. Nga, na, na. Nga, na, na. So these three examples are here. Udaharanani. Nga, na, na. So nga, na, na. Etat. एषः पूर्ववर्णः अस्ति ङ न परन्तु रस्वात् सः वर्णः ङ न वर्णः रस्वात् अनन्तरं भवेत् रस्वर्ण means if you see before ङ what is there here before ङ pratyang before ङ what is there which varna rasvakarah right. Before nga there is rasvakara and before na what is there na sugan isha what is there rasvakara anantaram before tasmin asti tatra ikarah rasvaikarah atrapi aste likhan nakarah anantaram akarah rasvakarah. So here what this raswat means raswat paraha ngam syat. This ngam, nga, na, they should be after a raswa swara. It could be a, e, o, whatever. Okay. But it should be raswa. It cannot be a or dirgha e or dirgha u before this nga, na. So this is one condition. So this should be the purva pada, purva varna. Purva varna should be nga, na. And ganana also should be preceded by one of the rasva swara, right? E or O. Rasva, only those are rasva, right? Then, what is the paravarna? Paravarna could be any ach. Okay, that is one. These two things are clear now. Any question about these two conditions? They should be clear, right? Ganana should be the purvarna, but before that purvarna there should be rasva swara, and now paravarna should be any ach.
Swat paraha means raswat after yah.
After rasva, after rasva swara. Okay.
So here yah coming, not here it is yah coming.
No, yaha means yaha is the yaha is which. No. Raswat paraha yaha ngam means after ngam which is after rasva swara. Ngam means ganana. Ganana which is after a rasva swara. This is the first purvarna condition. Paravarna ach bhavet. Idanim kim vadati sutram. Also tadantat padat. Another condition is this ganana they should be padante bhavet. Tadantat padat. Paraha achaha. अच् अनन्तरं भवेत् अनन्तरं किं भवति गमुनागमः स्यात् here agama is saying no, not it is not talking about adesha. There is agama syat. What is agama? Agama is
mitravat. Agamaha mitravat means comes and sits there without removing anything.
Adesha shatruvat. Adesha will remove this and it comes in substitutes. Adesha. Atra agamaha. Agama is what is purvana is there, it stays like that. But in this place, purvana, paravana will be there. But now the next is agama bhavati. Agama is one new addition will be coming here. Agama. Kasya agama bhavati? Gamut agama. In this case, gamut iti bhavati. In the other places, this sandhi is also known as gamudagama sandhi. Gamudagama is because gamut is coming here. What is gamut? Gamut is again saying gam ut. So here there are two parts here. Listen to this carefully. Gam and ut. Gamut. Okay. So this one is saying when these conditions are there, gamut agama bhavati. It is saying gam comes in between. This ut, keep that aside. We'll see what is ut. So this is saying gam agama bhavati. This gam only comes into picture there, into as an addition there. Agama, gam. What is gam again? Gam pratyahare kevaranaha santi.
Ana and na.
Nga na na. So punaha nga na na. Same. So nga na na iti padasya ante asti tasmat puram rasva swaraha asti anantaram paravarnaha achvarnaha asti asyam sthitau ngam punaha ngakara nakara nakarasya eva agamaha bhavati. Again we are, if it is a nga adesha bhavati, if it is na, so not adesha, agama bhavati. If it is na iti adesha bhavati. If it is na iti adesha bhavati. Punah. Yatha sankhya we can take that. So if it is nga comes, na comes, na comes. Okay. If it is na will not come there. So by that is logical, right? Okay, if you look at the example here, udaharanam kim bhavati pratyang atma. So here it is saying nga is coming as the agama. Where will it come as agama? Purvarna asti ngakaraha and paravarna asti a iti. Atra agama bhavati ngakarasya eva ngakaraha. Ngakara comes and sits in between here, between the purva and paravarna. So what is the final rupa here? How do we say this, Lakshmikat Mode?
Pratyangatma.
So we are actually making a double. Pratyangatma. Pratyang plus atma, pratyangatma. So similarly, ditiyam kim bhavati? Sugan. Sugan.
Suganeshah. Suganeshah.
Sugan double. Vitvam. Suganeshah. So nakarah kutra agamah bhavati purvarnasya paravarnasya madhe. Not before purvarna or not after purvarna. not after Paravarna. So Madhye. Antaram. Tasmin.
तस्मिन् अस्ति
किं भवति तत्र
द्वित्वं नकारस्य
तस्मिन्
नस्ति
डबल ना सिमिलरली विहार लिखन
लिखन् नास्ति
So this ngamot is actually little bit about ngamot now. Ngamot is this ngam, this is the last ut part is applying to each letter in the ngam. This is a little bit vyakarana vishaya, but still I'll try to explain it, keep it simple. So this ngam is so this is basically saying ngam iti purvarnaha. So tasmat puram rasva varnaha asti. Anantaram padante asti anantaram paravarnaha ach asti. Idanim agama bhavati. Kasya agama? Ngam agama bhavati. Now what is this ut? So ngam agama. Now ut has to be applied to each varna in this ngam pratyahara for the vyakarana purpose. Yeah. So this is actually saying nut agama, nut and nut. These are the three letters, right, in that ngam pratyahara, na. So this one ngamot is like short form for this saying nut. Instead of saying these three separately, Panini kim kritavan ngam iti ekam pratyaharam. It's like a dvandva samasa. Ut is added at the end, so we apply that ut to each of the component. Nut. So tasvat parah ngam asti, ngam antaram ach asti, tada kim bhavati nut iti agamah bhavati. But why do we need this nut? Why can't we just why did not Panini say just ngam agamavati? You can say just ngam agamavati. Why do we need a ut here? Ut. Now there is a different reason for that. There is a different reason for that. Instead of just saying ngama agama bhavati, you could have said ngam agama bhavati. So, but he has said ngamut agama bhavati. So he wants to say nut and nut agama bhavati. Why? Because there is a different this agama ngam nga, whatever agama letter here is nga na. So this nga na, where it should come, whether it should come after the purvapada purvarna, before the purvarna, or before the paravarna, after the paravarna. So these questions come up. So in different other situations, this agama can happen at different places. Now, Panini Sutra indicates that it has this convention that if the ta is added, it comes in between. So in between means before the paravarna. So that is a separate sutra. That is a separate convention. He defines those conventions in a different place. If there is a ta ending here, right? So nut is there. So where this nga should come, because there is a ta is added here and ta is being removed. Ta is being removed. When actually nga ityeva adesha bhavati. Not the ta is also not coming in the adesha. Ta is being removed. Actually, u is also being removed. There is a ut here. The whole ut is being removed. लोपः भवति अनन्तरं केवलं ङकारस्य आदेशः and this ngakara where it should fit, where it should come, that depends on this. Because it is a t is added, it should come before that paravarna. So to indicate that t is added here, so that is a different vyakarana convention is there. You don't have to worry for now. And what is this o now? O is just the ucharanartham. So otherwise it is difficult to just pronounce ngat, right? Ngat, ngat. It's easy to say nut, nut. So उच्चारण सौलभ्यार्थम उकार योजितः ङट् इति आदेशः आगमः ङट् नुडादेशः नुडादेशः गुणादेशः इति त्रय आदेशाः अत्र निर्दिष्टाः सन्ति ङमुडागमे. Any question? So to understand it is simple. Basically two conditions are पदान्ते ङ भवेत् पूर्ववर्णः परन्तु पूर्ववर्णात् पूर्ववर्णात् पूर्वमपि ह्रस्व स्वरः भवेत् ह्रस्वस्वरः लाइक अ आर् ओ आर् इ उकारस्य अत्र उदाहरणं नास्ति परन्तु अनन्तरं परवर्णः कश्चित् अच्वर्णः भवेत्. These are simple. So then you just double it. So प्रत्यङ्गात्मा सुगण ईशः तस्मिन् अस्ति लिखन् नास्ति. Any question? No question.
No.
Now he says nityam apra. Nityam means, why is there such nityam? Don't have to say nityam means once the sutra is there, it is always nityam. So why should he say nityam here? So that's the question here. No. Another udaharanam, if you take this for example, where there is hrasva akarah अथवा hrasva varnah पूर्वं नास्ति चेत् किं भवति? उदाहरणं भवान् आस्ते, so भवान् अस्ति, अस्ति can also do. इदानीं किं भवति?
भवान् अस्ति.
So गमनागमः भवति वा न भवति?
न भवति.
न भवति. Why? Because there is a akara here. A इति पूर्ववर्ण नकारात् पूर्वम् आकारः अस्ति, ह्रस्व आकारः नास्ति. So nothing is happening here, just bhavan asti. Now another one, have you heard of this like sanadyanta dhatavah? Avishka Bhagini?
No.
Sanadyanta dhatavah, sanadi
सन् अपि द्वादश प्रत्ययाः सन्ति धातोः परे आगच्छन्ति अतः सनाद्यन्तधातवः भवन्ति. आतिदेशिकधातोः अन्ते इति आतिदेशिकधातोः अन्ते आगच्छति.
समीचीनं. सो उदाहरणं किं? सनादि. Sun means actually indicates the sun pratyaya when added to dhatu, नूतन धातोः निर्माणं भवति. तथैव आतिदेशिक धातुः. आतिदेशिक धातुः उदाहरणम् अत्र सनाद्यन्त धातुः सनाद् सन् प्रत्ययः कदा आगच्छति इच्छाविषये पिपठिषामि पिपठिषा अस्ति पिपठिषामि पठनस्य इच्छा अस्ति इति पिपठिषामि जिगमिषामि गन्तुमिच्छामि पिपासति पातुमिच्छति पिपासति बुभूषति पिपासति पिपासा अस्ति इति पिपासति पातुमिच्छति. So those are the sanadyanta dhatava. But now I am telling that is not relevant here. But this word itself, sanadi, how it is made? San adi, right? Yes or no? San plus sanadi is what? San plus adi? So idanim kim bhavet? Gamanagama bhavati va na bhavati? So यदि भवति तर्हि किं भवति रूपं
सन्नादि
सन्नादि. But sannadi, but in his own Panini Ashtadhyayi only and in everywhere also we do not use sannadi, we use sanadi eva. Sanadyanta dhatavaha sanadi pratyayaha ityeva, right? Sanadi pratyayaha vidyante, whatever when you said like dvadasha pratyayaha, right? So sanadi pratyayaha iti. So here we don't say sannadi, this is just a sanadi. How is it possible? Why is it Gamanagama not happening? It is an apavad, exception. There is no rule or nothing for that. So just by the usage, sanadi. Though technically as per the sutra, it should have become sannadi. Don't say sannadi, sanadi. That's why this nityam is important here. The Panini is clever there. So he just added this nityam to cover these kind of situations. In gamo raswadaching nityam. So raswad prangam tadantat padat parasya changamane. Only if he had said this only without nityam, that means this will become actually he has to put another sutra to cover such. There could be other examples also with like this instances, and then there will be a problem. Now when you say nityam, it actually it looks like it is like nityam means it's always, right? Nityam means what? Sarvada. Without exception, nityam. But no. So here nityam word is actually being used as a vikalpa. Vikalpa. How is it that? How that nityam vikalpa? So it is like a normal colloquial usage. Yeah, Mother, you want to say something?
And there is question mark.
Question mark I have put there. Yeah. So Panini is no question mark there. So here what Panini nityam is, he is using this as a very natural language. How we say like, for example,
normally.
Normally, suppose when we say, suppose somebody comes late, we are very frustrated with that, and we make a generic statement. He always comes late, right? Yes or no? He always comes late. That doesn't mean that every time he comes late. That is a very generic statement, like a blanket statement. He always eats a lot, or even sometimes he never eats. Never eats means what? He is not literally never eats. Yeah. He always does this thing. We are talking about somebody. He always laughs at me. Not every time. That doesn't mean every time, actually literally every time. He always laughs at me in his word. Don't count and keep a book of it. Like every time is not literally every time. It is just a generic statement. Yeah, most of the times he does that. That is his general nature. But it doesn't mean that actually every time he is doing that. So that is the meaning here, nityam. So nityam is added like a gama raswadachi nityam. Normally means generally always, not literally every time. So that is the meaning of the sutra here. So atra viramama. Namaskaraha.
Namaskaraha. Dhanyavadaha.